I'm a keen DIYer, but there are some jobs like working on gas that I won't do for safety reasons. In our Life Garage sessions, you'll develop the tools you need to become your own life mechanic. But this doesn't mean you can do it all on your own. Like calling a gas engineer, sometimes we need to call the professionals. The Life Garage isn't about making you a mental health professional, but developing the tools you need to do the wellbeing jobs you can do. At the heart of this concept is taking responsibility. Responsibility is looking to find out what we can do now and deciding we can be empowered to do something. This is grounded in positive psychology, and as such it's not about accepting a situation as fair or right or being focused on blame. Although these last points are important, as a life mechanic we're looking to change what we can and not feel helpless about circumstances beyond our control. So as we start our Life Garage journey, remember for these bigger issues you'll still need to speak to the professionals.